seen a person who didn't buy a car just because he or she failed to learn how to drive? Or have you met a person who gave up to learn how to drive after failing once or twice? Personally, I have never met anyone like that. Contest chairs, respected Toastmasters, judges, young leaders, and distinguished guests. Good evening to you all.
Good evening.
This evening, I will be giving a presentation on belief in yourself. As I gave the above example, when people try and try to accomplish even a simple mission, they are able to do it because of the confidence, the determination, and the belief that they will succeed it one day. People who are determined in their ambitions always keep their eyes on their goals. There's a popular saying, if you take your eyes off your goals, all you see are obstacles. I'll give you an example. Take a stone, keep it far away from your eyes. You can see the surroundings. You can see all the things blocking your way. Keep it right in front of your eyes. All you see is that stone. This proves that you can achieve your goal when you keep it right in front of you. Millions of people have failed to live the life they always wanted to live. They have failed to realize their ambition and gave up as soon as they encountered with their first obstacle. One of the strongest causes for this attitude is a lack of self-confidence and belief. They just want the things to be done within the first attempt and don't have belief at all. I would like to tell you a simple concept. Believing in yourself is about being sure that you're going to do the best of your determination no matter who discourages you. Usually, when you try to take up a difficult task which people have failed to accomplish, you will be criticized by others. Never stand for it. Take your determination and move forward. Believing in yourself gives you different ways in which you may achieve in life. Success doesn't depend on the different things you do. It depends on the things you do differently. Let me give you a few examples of people who have achieved great heights up to this. Number 1, Albert Einstein. He couldn't talk before the age of 4. Now, still he is remembered as one of the most genius scientists in the millennium. Next, we have Beethoven. His music teacher. This is what she told him. You are never going to compose any music. He took that as a challenge. And now what we enjoy is the symphony he created ages ago. Then, Thomas Alva Edison. His teacher told him, you are too stupid to learn. He never gave up his education. He kept working hard day and night, and what? The result of it is what we have here. Next, our master blaster Sachin Tendulkar. He had failed the 10th grade, yet he never lost hope. His belief, his confidence is what made him the first man on the planet to get a double century in ODI. Then we have Shivaji Rao, who was a normal bus conductor. His style, his hard work and determination was seen by a director, and that's what made him superstar Rajnikant. What was so common to all these people? They wanted things. They wanted to live up to their dreams. They understood the value of life is given to you only once. If you misuse it, it's never going to come back. They kept their motto as yes I can, and they achieved it. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, each one of you over here is of a different kind. You have different talents, and you're great in different ways. Make use of the talent. Make the best out of you, because this is the life given by God to make yourself the best. Make people remember you as one of the best citizens in this world. Have confidence. Change yourself from a rock to a sculpture, and be admired by remarkable citizens of the millennium. Keep this in mind. Always say I can do it and it will become. I will do it and I did it. Believe